Wow, this guy finally decided to upload a video. It has been so long since I made my last YouTube post. Today, I'm having this issue that I'm hoping that I found a quick solution for that I wanted to share with you guys in the G. So the needle in the gas gauge has completely gone drunk and decided it doesn't want to work anymore. Basically, I guess when it comes on, it flipped over and now it's stuck behind that needle. So here's what I went out and got. These magnets, I picked these up at Home Depot. I'm hoping that I can put this magnet on top of that needle, magnetize it, and pull it all the way around and put it back on top of it. All right, so according to the package, these are extremely strong magnets. We're gonna be putting that name to the test. So I got the magnets out of the package. The next thing I'm gonna do is turn the car off. And let's see if I can't get this to work. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, there you go. You just seen it live here first. Maybe not here first, probably here last, but there you go. It worked. So I was able to turn the needle completely around and get it sitting back on that peg. And that's what I was looking for. Hopefully this video helps somebody. If you find this video interesting, or if you know a better way to get this to work, post that in the comments below. Thank you guys for viewing. Thank you guys for continuing to subscribe. I'm really not sure why you guys keep doing that, but apparently there's something about this channel some people like, so I'll take that. All right, so now that we got the gas gauge, the gas needle, sitting on top of the peg, let's see if it starts to work, like it goes back and reads how much gas is in the car. Oh snap, that's about how much gas should be in there. So the gas gauge is officially working. We'll call that a win for now.